If we sent you this video, then you are having a problem with your touchscreen. This video will guide you through replacing the micro SD card to fix the issue with your fireplace. First of all, we sincerely apologize about the problem you're having with your product. The procedure for fixing your fireplace is relatively straightforward, and we will walk you through that procedure now. Normally your touch screen should display the Magic Flame logo and 4 icons across the bottom when running properly like this. However, if you see a white touch screen, then your software has become corrupted. This could be due to a random power outage while your fireplace was starting up or shutting down, or maybe you unplugged the fireplace directly from the wall rather than using the controls. Your fireplace does have a computer in it, and it should be shut down properly just like a normal PC using the controls from the touchscreen or app. Unplugging the fireplace to turn it off could result in your software getting corrupted, and hence the white screen. Always use the built-in controls to operate your fireplace. Not operating the fireplace properly could lead to data corruption, requiring the micro SD card to be replaced. Basically, this procedure will reset your fireplace to the factory default with the latest version of the software. To perform this simple repair, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a flashlight, and optionally a putty knife, aka drywall spatula. This last tool is not required, but it makes it a bit easier to get the computer module back in, since it's a tight fit. Alternatively, you can use your flathead screwdriver. The first step to replace your micro SD card is to remove the computer module assembly. This can be done by using your flathead screwdriver to remove the 2 black sheet metal screws that hold in the assembly. They are located directly behind the touchscreen, on the left-hand side, when facing the front. These screws will be visible if you look inside the fireplace and then back behind the touchscreen. Simply pull on the module where the screws were and the entire module will pop out. The next step is to locate and remove the micro SD card. It's about the width of your thumbnail, and located underneath the green circuit board if you are looking at the computer module from the top. You can use a pair of tweezers to remove the micro SD card or even your fingernails. Simply pull on it gently to remove, noting the orientation of the copper connectors facing up. Now, replace the old micro SD card with the new one. It's inserted copper connectors facing up and printed logo facing down. It goes in the same way the other one came out. Simply push it in until it will not go any further. Congratulations, you have replaced your micro SD card, and your fireplace should operate properly again. The next step is to reinstall the computer module. If you remove the HDMI and/or the micro USB power cable, plug them both back in now. The 2 male tabs on either end of the computer module assembly should go back into the slits of the insert. Now use your screwdriver or putty knife and slide it between the USB connectors and the insert, and rotate slightly, pivoting against the circuit board, just to flex the metal a tiny bit so that you can push the computer module back into place. It may take a little bit of force. This step may not be necessary, and you can try without doing this first, and come back to this step if the computer module won't fit back in. Now simply retighten the screws to hold the computer module back in place. At this point your fireplace should operate properly. If your logs do not go on/off automatically, you may need to wait up to 10 minutes for the new computer to sync up with your log set. If you continue to get an error that says initiating, please try again, then follow the steps in the instruction manual for resetting the Bluetooth. Congrats! Your Magic Flame is back up and running. We appreciate that you took the time to go through this procedure, and we thank you. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to tech support at any time. Have a great day.